companies, universities, and private teams from 5 countries that entered the Carbon XPRIZE competition in 2017, 10 finalists managed to convince the judges that their technology can use a substantial amount of CO2 in a viable product. They now have 2 years to further develop their ideas. Marcus Extavor, prize lead for the Carbon XPRIZE, says the ultimate goal is the so-called circular carbon economy, in which carbon dioxide will be used as a valuable source instead of releasing it into the air.
The way we're trying to do it in the Carbon XPRIZE is not so much talk about it, but show it. That's why we ask the teams to actually build a working system that you can see, you can touch it, see if it works, measure the data.
The finalists' solutions range from using CO2 in producing new types of building materials, such as concrete, to new types of fuel, plastic, and graphene, often promoted as the material of the future. Extavor says the judges also evaluated feasibility of the new technologies.
In order to get a technology into the market, you have to think carefully about cost and make sure that it's accessible as widely around the world as possible. If this technology is going to be relevant for climate change, it needs to be deployed as widely as possible.
In the final phase, the competitors will have to demonstrate that their technologies are scalable to at least 10 times greater volume. But there will be one more important step.
The grand prize is $20 million, but the real prize is access to the marketplace, access to actually deploy and get this technology out there into the world. I think that's what all of these teams are actually competing for.
The XPRIZE challenges, including this one, are funded by contributions from wealthy international donors. George Putic, VOA News.